Hello and welcome back to our in-depth series on leveraging Atlassian Analytics to transform the way you manage delivery and teams. If you are new here, I'm Marwan Saab and I specialize in helping teams like yours utilize frameworks and technology to boost efficiency and make data-driven decisions. Today, we are focusing on a Jira feature that many teams find it invaluable: labels. While labels are a core field within the Atlassian Analytics schema, they are stored as an array in the issue table, representing all the labels selected for an issue as a single value. This structure can make filtering and creating charts based on specific labels or sets of labels quite challenging. In this tutorial, I will guide you through a workaround that simplifies the usage of the labels field. This method will make it easier for you to create filters based on these labels and to display the return data in charts, significantly speeding up the process of creating insightful charts and dashboards. Additionally, this will enable non-technical users of Atlassian Analytics to design and implement complex charts and dashboards with greater ease. Let's get started. Let's begin by exploring how labels are typically used in Atlassian Analytics under the default data structure. Let's query the issue key and the summary and try to analyze the data stored in the labels field. As you can see, the values are stored as an array within each issue in the issue table, which can make filtering by specific labels or combination of labels quite complex under default Atlassian Analytics data structure, as well as reporting on the results of these labels. Given this complexity, I'm going to show you a more effective way to manage and utilize labels data. We will start by creating a custom table that separates each label into its own row, making them easier to filter and analyze. We will query the issue table by selecting the issue ID and expanding the labels array into individual rows using the explode SQL function. The SQL syntax is in the description below. Run the query and verify that the data looks correct. Now, let's create a new custom table using this SQL query. I will name this table View Labels. After adding the table, we need to ensure it integrates seamlessly with the existing data structure. I will link it to the primary issue table using a left outer join on the issue ID. This type of join ensures that all issues, whether they have labels or not, are returned in our queries. With our new structure ready, let's test how it works. Create a new chart. In the Visual SQL editor, select from the issue table the issue key and the summary, and from the View Labels table, select the label field. Now, let's add a condition to filter by specific labels. This is much easier now as each label is treated as an individual entry. You can see how straightforward it is to set filters on these labels. These could be interactive controls on the dashboard, allowing the user to select multiple labels if needed. Depending on your visualization needs, you might choose to aggregate these labels or display them as is in various chart formats. And that's it. We have significantly simplified the use of labels in Atlassian Analytics, making it easier for you to create dynamic and complex filters for your dashboards and reports. This setup empowers both technical and non-technical users to harness the full potentials of their project data. Thank you for joining me today. Add a comment with any questions or feedback you have. Stay tuned for more tutorials.